Wanting people, you don't know how we do it over here. We slay and save, we ball on a budget. First and foremost, I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe in these times. Sending love and light to all you and your families, okay? Now let's get into this video. So guys, I want to know that first of all, beauty supply stores are closed. So we're really doing some real saving over here, okay? So I'm back again with another clip in tutorial, bang and bun. So what I'm starting out by doing, I'm just prepping my hair. You know, I'm doing my usual gel, coconut eco styler gel, as well as my got to be, and I'm just gonna try to slick my hair up into one. Usually, you know, when I do slick my hair, I do it in sections. It just makes it a bit easier, you know, easier to manage. So I'm gonna start with the top half first of my hair. This look is so quick and so easy. I call this my lad. I'm going to the supermarket and I just want something quick, but I don't want to look too top. You know what I'm with it? If you know what, if you know, you know. Alright. So I'm just starting with the top half. I'm just going to put that into a small, teeny cute bun. Nothing serious. Then I'm just going to move on to the bottom. Detangle with my wide tooth comb. Please don't be like me. Please, when you're detangling your hair, start from the bottom and go up to the roots. I don't know what is wrong with me while I'm doing that. And then I'm just going back again with my gel. And I like to put the gel in between my hair. I want to make sure that there are no lumps and bumps when I do my thing. You understand? That's why I put the gel all in between, make it smooth, make it sleek, and I brush the back. Can I tell you guys that at this point, like, you know that piece of that piece in your hand in between your index finger and your thumb, is me alone that part aches when I'm trying to get my hair in one. Is killing me right now. That's all I can tell you. So when I'm done with that now, I just catch everything up into that small teeny weeny bun and then just secure it down with an elastic band, brush and sleek, and you don't know what's next. Okay people, so I just have my edges set under my molding wrap. I'm gonna tell you something. I am babying these molding wraps, okay? Babying them. Store is closed, can't get any right now. So you just saw me showing you guys my DIY clip-ins. Let me know if you want to see how I make my clip-ins below. They're so convenient, and this hair is just some good cheap hair that I got from the beauty supply store for looks like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the clip-ins and start clipping from the front. As I was showing you with my fingers real quick, just gonna go around that tiny bun I made, and then we just do it until we get the thickness that we like. So I'm just clipping from the front, and I'm just going to repeat the steps until I am satisfied. Alright, so now that we have added all of the clippings that we are satisfied with, we're just going to go ahead and get started on the bun. Just separating some of the strands from the front with the pieces, sorry, that we want to use for the bun. Just, you know, I kind of was going for maybe longer-ish bangs on the side. Just, you know, I wanted it to look effortless, not like I tried too hard, because remember I said this is a supermarket going down the road, nothing serious, or just like a easygoing, you know, look that we're going for. So I'm just fixing around, seeing how I want my bun to sit, because we're going to use pins to hold it in place. And I didn't make my bun extremely big for this look. Again, I'm going to say easygoing 1 2 3 look that we're going for. So you just see me grab all the hair, put it up, and then wrap it around. And then by wrapping it around, it also helps to hide the tracks that we have, or if any tracks are even showing at all from the clippings. So then I'm just going to go ahead with my pin and just tuck that into the side right there, just to hold everything in place. The bang now, we're just going to go for an effortless vibes for the bang. So I'm just going to use my fingers to unravel some of those curls and just have it fall in my face. You know, when you want to feel cute and you have the bangs just wisp over your eyes, like you want to give the nice sexy look. Alright, maybe not, but that's all we're going for, just until I'm like, okay, this can work. Just unravel some of the curls. If you want, you can maybe, if you have a shorter clipping set, then you can attach it if you want to make it long. If you want to make it thicker, longer, just do it to your liking. I didn't want it too thick, you know. I'm just you know, making it fall into, I would say, putting effort into the effortless look to make it look effortless. I mean, come on ladies, you know, when we have that natural no makeup look, it's like, for example, you know, it's the most effort we put into it. So that's all you see me diddle daddle and fiddle with all of this hair, just until I'm satisfied with it. And here we have the finished look, part 1. Quick, easy, simple, curly bang, curly bun. Once you have some curly hairline around, you can do this look in no time. But then I decided to add a satin scarf, just for a little zhuzh, you know, just you want a little oomph or something extra. So I took my satin scarf and I made it into a big triangle, putting that big part across the back of my head, and have the base line across my neck back. Then I'm just going to take that piece and flip it out of the way and have it lie flat against the back of my head. Just line it up with your hairline and have it lie flat. Then I'm going to take the front and crisscross it. So now we're kind of going into a motion of like we're doing a shoes lace, like you're tying your shoe. Then I'm just going to tie it. You see how I just flip it over, just like how you would start with tying your shoes. If you don't know how to tie your shoes, then I'm sure there's another video somewhere for that. Then we're just going to start making a bow. Tighten that bow. Then I'm gonna take those 2 pieces and tuck it under, just like that, and tuck it under. So we're just going to use it to make that centerpiece under the bow. Let me know if you want to see different ways you can tie a headscarf. I think headscarves are great ways to style your hair if you're having a bad hair day, if your wig want wash, or if you just feel for something different. Okay, people, thank you so much again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you can be alerted when I upload a new video. Please leave some suggestions below for looks that you'd like to see me do. We're going to make it fun and we're going to have a good time over here. Remember, we slay and save and we ball on a budget. You understand? We're not broke bank, but we still look good. All right, until next time, thank you guys. Bye.